Microduino. Microduino is smart. It's Arduino compatible and completely open source. Microduino is small. The board is only 1 inch by 1.1 inch, the size of a quarter. Microduino is stackable. Every Microduino board can easily be stacked together through U-shaped pins. With Microduino, you can build many cool designs.
Hello Microduino!
Hello Microduino!
Hello Microduino!
With its compact size, the Microduino series dramatically decreases the size and cost of prototype design. Microduino remarkably improves usability and flexibility of Arduino-compatible boards, as well as user experience. The Microduino series can be used for prototype development, low-volume production, and realizing your ideas.
The field of robotic exoskeletons is growing quickly, and new systems are being developed constantly by research labs and industry. To make exoskeleton technology more accessible, we are developing the EduExo, the world's first robotic exoskeleton kit. You will assemble it, wire it, program it, implement a variety of exoskeleton control systems, and use it as an interface for a self-developed virtual reality simulation or game. A handbook will walk you through the different steps with a tutorial. It will additionally provide information on exoskeleton history, functionality and technology to offer a well-rounded introduction to the field.
Today to develop your projects. Imagine a simple circuit where you want to pulse an LED from the Arduino. In case the LED doesn't light up, what do? A simple multimeter doesn't bring you a step further, as it measures the same voltage across the LED and across the resistor. Now let's bring in the SmartScope and have a look at the same pins. You'll find that your Arduino is pulsing fine, but thanks to the SmartScope, you've discovered that the problem is located around the pin of your LED. In this case, the problem is this huge capacitor. After removing the capacitor, the SmartScope shows that the pulsing of the LED is following the Arduino, and as a result, the LED is now blinking. With our team of electronics passionates, we've been working hard the past 12 months to provide you with an excellent scope at a price which will revolutionize.
An example of one of the basic Arduino kit's more advanced projects. They use programming in this, and they have made a basic Space Invaders game. It's really popular among both kids and adults. Adults because they like nostalgia, and kids because they like video games. So we've got the basic electronics components as well as programming. They get to change what they put here, it won't be my name, as well as the characters in it. So there's a reset button, left, right, and shoot. There's different settings, so they can go slow or fast. You can also change these characters here, both the shooter and the alien that they are shooting.